And this is a short meditation and prayer to protect you from any lower energies, from anything that can affect you physically, emotionally, or mentally. I call in Archangel Michael and the fifth dimensional tube of light. I request that Archangel Michael places the tube of light over you in this lifetime, in all lifetimes, in all systems, in all dimensions and spaces, all parallel worlds and universes, in all spaces and times, by the force of grace of God. I ask you, Archangel Michael, to use your sword of light to completely clear me of all attached energies and all negative energies from my cellular memory. I ask that you transmute these energies up through the fifth dimensional tube of light to the fifth dimension, so they can be transformed into their highest form of light. Should I have any attached energies that do not wish to go to the light, leave me now and go somewhere safe within the universe without harming anyone. Close up my aura to the influences of all beings except for my higher self, the God consciousness, my guides and guardians. Gently clear me of all that no longer serves me, so that I vibrate at the high frequency of abundance, love, and my true spiritual power. Open my heart to the vibration of the cosmic consciousness. I ask that you infuse all voids within my being with unconditional love and light. So I speak, and so it is. So be it, may it be so. Amen, amen, amen.